Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So inside today's video we are doing an English video. I haven't done an English video in quite a long time, have I? I don't think so I have. So the video that I'm going to be doing today is about words that you can replace said with. You will see said everywhere, literally everywhere. In your English worksheets when someone is reporting a speech from someone else. So yeah, today there's going to be some fantastic words you can replace it with. So let's get started. So the first word is gushed. So you use this word when you want to speak with excitement or enthusiasm. So here is an example of a sentence. I have the best news in the world, Jenny gushed. Okay, so now we have prattle. This is when someone or you yourself lengthen a small matter to a big, gigantic matter. So this is the example. Jenny always prattles about the new stuff she gets. So nextly we have blurted the truth. It is when someone couldn't hold in a secret. A secret gets revealed. So the sentence is, my friend Darcy blurted the truth about my birthday party. So next up we have marveled. Do you know it actually kind of sounds like that superhero movie where it goes Marvel? So this word's meaning is to be filled with wonder or astonishment. So here's the sentence. She marveled when she saw the bag full of chocolate. I mean, I would be too. So next we have guffaw. So this is when you're speaking while laughing, like you're, look at her. I actually do that. Nextly, here's the sentence. He guffawed when he saw the TV show. He was like, look at the TV show. Actually, that is me. I do that. So coming up next, we have a phrase. She let the cat out of the bag. That she wasn't necessary, but I put it behind. So this means to reveal a secret, like somebody just reveals your big or small or anything type of secret. There's no such thing as anything type of secret, but yeah, you know. So here is the sentence. I wanted my birthday party to be confidential, but my friend let the cat out of the bag. So now we have done quite a few enthusiasm, laughter, those type of words. But now we are going to move on to angry words. Oh, was it angry birds? That's funny. So the first angry word that I'm going to be saying is roared. Roar like a lion. This means when someone or you yourself get angry at yourself and you talk to yourself harshly or someone talks to you harshly. So the sentence is, my mother roared at me for not finishing my food because I didn't finish my food. So my mother roared at me. So now we have bellowed. So this one is when someone yells at you with a deep roar, kind of like a deep voice, something like that. So here's the sentence. My aunt bellowed at me for breaking her lamp. So nextly we have the words that you speak so softly that only you yourself can hear it. It's a secret to yourself. So now we have muttered. Similarly to this word is mumbled. She mumbled to herself, I hate myself. Now we have sobbing. I think many of you would have heard this word because I have. It's like when you cry, but you don't cry like a baby, like out loud. So yeah. She was sobbing because she failed her exams. She was so upset. So now I'm going to say one more that is really similar to sobbing. Sniffled. It's really similar, like really, really, really similar. So now we have wailed. It's to cry like a baby. So now we have the sentence for wailed. She wailed when her phone broke. She was really desperate to get a new one. So now I'm going to be telling words that you really stress on. So now we have insisted. It's basically when you repeat something or someone else repeats something. So the sentence for insisted is, our teacher insisted us to revise for the exam next week. So now we have demanded. It's when you're saying something without courtesy or someone is saying it to you without courtesy. The boss demanded the workers to work until late night. Well, late night is quite late. That's why it has late behind. Alright guys, so this is the conclusion of this video. It's ending. I hope you guys really did learn some new words. I'm just sharing my knowledge as what I learned. I really learned some words when I'm sharing it with you guys. It's really fun. So now please share your feedback with me in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.